Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we are going to be talking about HyperChange, how he said he basically called Nikola Motors a scam. He wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole, and he's calling it a scam. So let's hear what he has to say, and then I will comment.
Like, it's just a PSA. Like, if you actually dig deep, and I tried to go to their page, I tried to read their SEC filings, I tried to find their financials. They're making it really hard to find how much money actually Nikola's losing, how long this 500 million is going to allow them to have a runway for. Like, there's just not much real concrete info, and I think this is super sketchy deal, frankly. And I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. That's my personal opinion of all of this. And I think, if you're going to just tout yourself as a billionaire when you haven't really done anything, like just tout all these pre-orders when nobody had to put down any money for it, it's like, you're spending investors' money to sue Tesla because you think their trucks looks like you, even though you copied their name. It's like, this is just, I think it's basically a scam. But anyway, that's my 2 cents. On the flip side, it's like, hey, like, they have a bold, ambitious mission. Like, I'm rooting for them on some level. I'd way rather to see these Nikola trucks on the road than a bunch of diesel trucks. So good luck, Nikola. Keep it up. And yeah. Anyway, this is HyperChange.
He called it a scam. So what's gonna happen tomorrow? My assumption is it's gonna go down. My assumption is this thing's gonna crash. But at the end of the day, I really don't think retail investors hold any power to where the stock moves. So as long as there is billionaires, which I predict there is a couple of really rich people, they could literally keep the stock price up until the reverse merger happens with Vector IQ acquisition company, I guess. So once that merger happens, the market manipulators, the rich people, they can keep the stock price up. They don't need retail investors. But the one dangerous thing about Vector Acquisition Corp is it's a publicly traded company, so short sellers can come in and short the crap out of it. That's the reason why I think Vector is going down. I think it's going down hard, but I could be wrong. Who knows? That's me speculating that after what HyperChange, I don't know his name, but after this guy from HyperChange talks about Nikola Motor, and he carries a heavy burden of subscribers. So there's going to be a lot of eyeballs on Nikola Motors tomorrow on Vector IQ, and I think it's going to get shorted like big time, but who knows? We'll see. The volume is still pretty decent. Today was a decent day. Well, I guess it's okay. It's 8.6 million volume. It's okay. It's not bad. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I still have put options on it, and if the stock crashes tomorrow, I probably won't buy any more put options. But if it crashes, then recovers, then yes, I will probably buy put option on that bounce. We'll see what happens. But if it doesn't crash tomorrow, I'm buying put options. I'm buying more put options on this. So because I think that this thing is going down. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe rich people will pump it. Because at the end of the day, rich people control the market. So we'll see what happens. But I'm bearish, very bearish on it. So another thing I want to point out, the reason why I think Berkshire Hathaway is selling their banks, and Daniel Prong just made a video on the bank stocks. I'm just gonna kill off some time. I think the reason why Warren Buffett sold bank stocks, because bank stocks are safe, right? They are considered safe. But the biggest reason is bankruptcies. I think there's going to be a lot of bankruptcy in the near future here. That's me speculating. I don't know for sure because it might not happen. For example, Hertz almost went bankrupt, but big money came in and prevented them from bankrupt. But the company's position is still really bad right now. And so like just recently, Hertz hires retail Chief Paul Stone as the new CEO. So There you go. Chief Paul Stone. I guess so. I guess that's his name. Oh, Paul Stone. Yeah, Paul Stone. Oops. I think I just kind of killed time with that. But anyways, yeah. But if we look at their finances, we can clearly see that, you know, sorry, this the balance sheet's what matters. So for total cash, they have a total of $1 billion of cash. But if you look at their debt, they have $20.5 billion of debt. And if they declare bankruptcy, who's taking this debt on and all their cars that they have to sell onto the market? The banks. So the banks big money is trying to prevent Hertz from going bankrupt by putting in a new CEO and giving them more debt to prevent the bankruptcy and hope they survive and turn the business around. Could be a good opportunity if you don't think it's going to go bankrupt, because it's gone down quite a bit. It's a market cap of 421 million, and if you don't think it is going to go bankrupt, this could be a big buying opportunity. Again, not financial advice. It's risky, but the potential for returns could be pretty awesome. If it goes back to like 15, 12, $20, that's a lot of money. And that could be a possibility if, if the virus goes away and they go back to operational and become profitable again. That could be a possibility. Were they profitable before? Let's look. They were kind of profitable. They got a positive EBITDA right here, and then for net income, operational income, yeah, they're doing not bad. Look, the total operational income for the entire year was $500 million. Yeah, $500 million for the total year. So it's not bad. But right now they're probably making zero revenue and they're probably suffering. But that's my opinion. Anyways, wow, 7 minutes. You know what? I'm going to make this video short. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.